everyone, welcome back to Amma's Relapaka. Today we are making North Karnataka special dish Brinjal Curry, also known as Ennegayi Gojju in Kannada, served with soft and crispy Akki roti. Let's get started. Now let's prepare Akki roti. First take a pan and add some water, 1 teaspoon salt, and let the water come to full boil. Now reduce the flame to low. Now slowly add the rice flour into the pan and start mixing. Turn off the heat while it's warm. Knead it into a smooth soft dough. First fry 2 chopped onions, 10 to 12 garlic cloves and few curry leaves in a pan with some oil. Saute until transparent. Dry roast half cup of peanuts, 3 teaspoons sesame seeds, a small cup of grated coconut. First take 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and some turmeric powder. Take a jar, add roasted peanuts and sesame seeds, grind it to a fine powder and keep it in a separate bowl. Then add grated coconut to the powder. In the same jar, add previously fried onion mixture and roughly grind it. Do not add water. Then add small piece of tamarind, jaggery and all the masala mentioned. Grind it roughly again. Now add ground paste, 2 chopped onions and some coriander leaves to the fine powder. Then add 1 teaspoon salt and mix them well. Take a small brinjals and wash them. Make a cross slit on each brinjal without cutting it fully. Stuff some grounded paste into the brinjal and keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan, add 1 teaspoon mustard seed and some curry leaves. Put the stuffed brinjal into the pan, close the lid, cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Now add the remaining masala into the pan and saute them well. Now pour some water and cook well. Then add salt as per your taste and saute it well. Pour some more water, close the lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. North Karnataka style Brinjal curry is now ready. Serve it hot with soft and crispy Akki roti. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Amma's Relapaka.